If you want to move data from your USB flash drive to Samsung Galaxy S26 or from S26 to your USB flash drive, what you can do is once you connect your USB storage, you want to go to the My Files app that you can find in the Samsung folder. Now in here we can of course try to find whatever we want to transfer. You can use these categories that we have at the top. You can also go to the internal storage in order to search for things that you have on your phone. You can of course switch from Essentials to All in order to find everything, every folder. And in my case I'm just gonna go to audio, for example. Let's say I want to transfer an audio file. In here I can press and hold my finger in order to select the file that I want to transfer. I can of course select multiple files at once. And then in here we can tap on the move option that we have in the bottom left corner. Now, since we want to transfer from the internal storage to the USB storage, I need to choose the USB storage. Then in here I need to decide where I want to place these files. So let's say I'm going to go to recordings over here and I'm going to move into that folder. And there we go. Now I should be able to find these files exactly where I moved them. There we go. I have them over here. And now I moved from the phone's storage to the USB flash drive. If I want to transfer something from the flash drive to the phone, then I can do exactly the same thing, but of course first you want to start by going to the USB storage. And in here, of course, we just do exactly the same thing, just like before. We choose to move selected files. This time, of course, we need to choose the internal storage, and then we decide where we want to place it. So let's say I'm gonna go to recordings again. There we go, I'm gonna move it here. And that is pretty much it. It should be back again on the phone's storage. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.